Let's do a quick review of method 2 for changing the background. First up, get your images and float them. There's my new background. And there's my subject, QB the cat. So on the background that you want to use, the replacement background, let's go ahead, come over to layers and duplicate that layer. So we have a background, now a copy of the background. Using the move tool, we'll move the cat in place on top here. I'm going to close this one. I don't need it anymore, just to clean things up. And then I'm going to move the cat layer to the middle. So instead of erasing this background here like we did in method 1 to replace the background, what we're going to do is actually erase through the copy of this background just where the subject is, our cat. So I'll use the eraser tool. Set the opacity at about 30 to start with. Real soft brush. I'm going to, for now, just lower the opacity of this layer a little bit so I can see where the cat is. There's the cat there. And then I can start erasing. So I'll go ahead and do a little bit of erasing. And then I'll bring that opacity back up. So now I know where the cat is. I can see a little outline there. So then I can start erasing through that top layer and work towards the effect that I would like. And this method is a nice way to blend the cat into the background and kind of create some interesting effects, leaving the ears here kind of up in the clouds a little bit. So it's a method you can just get a little bit more artistic with, and it's a lot of fun. And then you just keep working with that subject like that as much as you want. And that is method 2 here in Room 8 for changing the background of a subject image.